How to fix Microsoft Authenticator not working. If you're having trouble with the Microsoft Authenticator app not working, you're not alone. Whether it's not generating codes, not syncing, or simply not opening. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix it quickly and easily, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your device has a stable internet connection. Microsoft Authenticator relies on an internet connection for syncing and verifying your codes. Just check your mobile data or Wi-Fi connection to ensure it's working properly. If it's slow or unstable, simply try switching networks or toggling airplane mode on and off to reset the connection. Now, what you can do is restart the Authenticator app. If the app is not working, try closing all the apps and simply reopening it again. And it might fix the issue. Another possible fix is updating the app. Microsoft frequently releases updates to improve performance and fix bugs. So make sure you're running the latest version. Head over to your Google Play Store or the App Store and simply search for Microsoft Authenticator. And if there's an update available, simply update it. On Android, what you can also do is clear the app's cache and data. Just go to your settings, and from settings go to apps, find Microsoft Authenticator and simply tap on it. Now tap on storage and then select clear cache. You can also try clear data if the app continues to have issues. Just be aware that clearing data might require you to log back into your accounts. Sometimes an incorrect data, date, or time can interfere with the app's functionality. Make sure your device's date and time are set correctly. To do that, go to your device's settings, simply find date and time, and make sure set automatic is on. And that's it. If these also not help, you can simply uninstall the Microsoft Authenticator app and re-download it. And there you have it. These are the steps to fix Microsoft Authenticator when it's not working on your Android or iPhone.